Welcome to the North Phoenix Suburbanstead. In this video, we swap out a grinding wheel and replace it with a wire wheel on the DEWALT Bench Grinder DW756. First things first, turn off and unplug the bench grinder. We'll start with loosening the tool rest and the eye shield and moving them out of the way. We don't need to take them all the way off to replace the wheel. Then we remove the side guard shield. There are 5 retaining screws. Now we have easy access to the wheel. We remove the nut and the collar holding the wheel onto the arbor. The wheel slides off easy. Inspect it for wear and tear. Now we simply slide the new wheel onto the arbor, then the collar, and then tighten it down with the nut. Although it's totally not necessary, I did want to reassemble the side guard shield. However, the wire wheel was slightly thicker than the grinding wheel. In other words, the wire wheel was hitting the side guard, so I just decided to leave it off. If for whatever reason you decide to leave the side shield off as well, I really recommend screwing in the retaining screws so you won't lose them. Done. Now let's fire it up and wire brush years of caked on grime on some garden tools. This has been another production from the North Phoenix Suburbanstead. I hope you found the video informative and entertaining. If you haven't done so already, hit subscribe and click on the bell to receive notifications when the next video is posted. Thanks for watching.